Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Of course, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Let's start the reading. What do we have here for Earth Sign? What do we have here for Earth Sign? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ano meron sa ating mga Earth Sign? For Earth Sign, what do we have here for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? For Earth Sign, please. Kapalaran sa pag-ibig, mga Earth Sign. Wala shuffle. Okay, Earth Sign. Anong meron sa mga Earth Sign? You do have here the King, that's the Ten of Cups. The Page of Cups is here. Earth Sign. The Five of Swords, Five of Cups, and the Six of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Okay. Kunin natin yung situation sa inyong dalawa. For the sign of Earth Sign, please. Need over separation. Clarify this. Playful. Bottom of the deck is the free yourself. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, maybe you're going through separation right now, or maybe, the Ten of Cups, I can see that if ever that you are dealing with separation, the Ten of Cups, this is showing to me as you being happy, being contented, being okay lang kahit mawala itong person na to. And the Page of Cups this is showing us you being the Page of Cups, parang open ka sa love, open to receive love, or maybe hindi ka naman completely nawalan kasi maybe especially if you have a family with this person or may kids na involved, maybe yung kids is nasa iyo naman. Okay? And nakikita natin you are happy, your family, their support that you need with regards to your family, with regards to your friends, nandyan sa'yo. Especially with the playfulness. Maybe may mga bagay kang hindi na-experience in the past na pwedeng ma-experience mo ngayon because of you being free from this connection. So, yung iba na hindi pa nakaka-free sa relationship, sa connection, especially magkakaroon tayo ng full moon September 18. That is lunar eclipse, full moon yun. Full moon is about ending. Lunar eclipse, maybe there's this shadow side. There's this something na pwedeng hindi mo nakikita, na pwedeng makita mo mag-resurface, and maybe you have gone through this area of your life wherein akala mo pag nag-end to, malulungkot ka, masasaktan ka or what, but then pwedeng makikita mo ngayon na hindi, magiging masaya ka kasi this ending will give you a lot of freedom, no, na maybe in the past hindi ka nagkakaroon ng mga ganon. And this person with the Five of Cups, nakakita tayo ng kalungkutan with the Six of Cups, maybe with regards to this past person. This could be a past person, nalulungkot siya, nasasaktan siya because of the separation na nangyayari sa inyo. Okay, and with the playfulness, maybe you are being happy, you are being playful. There's a lot of opportunities, a lot of people na dumadating sa buhay mo na parang magugulat ka na lang, bakit ito mga taong to, maybe past people, ay nagpaparamdam sa'yo because there's something happening here. Maybe there's a new beginning waiting for you. And nakita natin, nagiging mas madali para sa'yo i-accept itong mga past people na to sa buhay mo because sila yung mga taong tutulong sa iyo with regards to your healing. But some of you pwedeng nakapag-heal ka na eh. Okay, but anyway, with the Four of Cups, nakikita natin that you are not so sure, or maybe, yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi ka pa nakakalis sa situation, the Four of Cups is here, and you're not so sure if magiging okay ba or what. Well, trust me, I can say that magiging okay ito, especially if the relationship with this person is toxic, or if you feel like you no longer like, or hindi mo na feel itong person na to. Okay, pwedeng hindi na kayo pareho ng path na nilalakaran, magkaiba na kayo ng panapaniwalaan, magkaiba na kayo ng page. So, like, there's this pagkakalayo or the need to get yourself out of this relationship or connection kasi magkaiba na maybe magkaiba na rin yung mga pinagagawa ninyo. Parang hindi na kayo nag-work as partners. Okay, anyway, let's focus on your future earth sign. For earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Journal threatened is here. Okay. Clarify the journal and threatened. Poison and interview. Ang bottom of the deck is love affair. Okay. In the near future for earth sign, sold, love, unconditional love. Cricket and anchor, chain weighed down. I want to get a message for the both of you in the near future. There's this retreat. Okay, wait lang. Codependency. Okay. Well, the way you see this, you do have your journal, threat and poison interview. There might be a talk, communication, conversation sa inyong dalawa ng person ito in the near future, but be sure that maging like there's this feeling na pwedeng hindi maging totoo or hindi maging honest itong person na to. But some of you, this is a different person. And kasi nakakita tayo ng disconnection para sa iba eh. Pero yung iba, pwedeng magkaroon ng communication with regards to past person. This is like, pwedeng maka-apekto sa'yo. But be sure na, na alamin mong mabuti if this person is being honest. Kasi nakakita tayo dito na pwedeng, if this is a past person, pwede magkaroon ng betrayal or hindi maging totoo or honest sa'yo itong person na ito. And, like, lalo na kung gano'n naman talaga siya, nakilala mo siyang gano'n na siya, sinungaling, etc. So, there's a high chance na magsinungaling ulit siya sa'yo in the future. So, be very careful. Okay? Kasi there's a possibility na baka bumalik, kaya, and then, the problem is, pagbalik niya is that ganun pa rin naman, hindi naman nabago. And, like, this person don't want you to be happy. Ayaw niya maging masaya ka. So, babalik siya sa buhay mo para sirain ulit. So, be careful. Some of you, there's this chance of a new person, but of course, yun din ang suggest ko eh. You have to be more, kumbaga, alamin mo, if this is a new person, there's a possibility of another connection na involved dito. So, if ever that there's another connection, kailangan malaman mo muna kada details about that. Is the other connection okay na ba, or still may connection pa rin, or what? Kasi I'm saying that there's an unconditional love that is possible here, pero pwedeng your person could be taken, the other person, the new person, so mag-ingat ka. Okay? Basta lahat in the near future, lahat na makaka-connect mo, kailangan alamin mo muna ang mga detalye if okay bang i-proceed into next level ito. But the way I see this, you have to first know all the details bago ka magdesisyon. Okay? Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.